Hey guys, Sophie here, and morning again. Today is Saturday, 8:15 a.m. Today I'm just going to go and chat with my friends and see Team. Let me check. Laggy a little. Device laggy. Come on. There. Just there. So yeah, my friend said we're recording. I'm recording. Yeah. So let me go to the city. Okay, let me just go to my house. Oh, so laggy. There. I'm not laggy anymore. Whoa. Okay, so this is my house. Hope you guys like this house, and the violet is by my friend Scarlett or Sepsi Sissy. Hi Scarlett. I'm recording. She's recording. Don't interrupt. XD. So yeah, I mean, steady. So yeah, it's been a while since not been uploading a while. Yeah. Oh yeah. I made this slap. This is a slapper, by the way, guys. But it's only for OP. Yeah, not OP anymore. Just someone opened me and deleted it. Yeah. It's up to me, Sophia Gamer HQ. It's up to me, Sophia Gamer HQ. Okay, there she is. There she is. Wait, what? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Me too, Scott Gamer Edge. There's a right gamer. Hey, I'm in here. I got 35 subs. I got 35 subs. Yeah. Yep. She got 44. Damn. What? Damn. Nice. This is her. I'm her neighborhood. Yep. Let me guess. He got 6, 10, 16, 19. What? 20? Well, no one knows my channel. XD. Let me guess. 0 subscribers. Let me guess. Ow. Who are you? By the way, this is our name. It's Scarlett. You go in my house to take a tour, and I go in the house. Get there and I go to your house. Yeah. Okay, so this is her, yeah. I made this a little. She needed help when she was not. C mode. Next is her bedroom. Did I just, oh no, she's gonna be so bad. Okay, let me just get the quartz. And she's gonna be so mad. She's gonna be so mad. There. So yeah. Oh, she doesn't know this. I like this. And here is her balcony. A little bit like mine, but different. So yeah, you can sit in here. Don't know, but it's... Oh no, I destroyed it. I'm so dumb. And I just destroyed another one. Great. Well, let's see from this view. Okay. It's annoying when it's laggy. Yeah, let me just get in this house. Get out. Okay. Hard to be. This looks nice. Oh, yeah, she got a little nappy. It's just not much like mine. Okay, so let's see what does my house look like. Okay, next, this kind of nice too. I got this too, and this is my biscuit. Ocelot. My bedroom. Yeah, kinda. Oh no, I'm so dumb. Let me just get it out. Laggy a little, and I'm charging it while I'm using it. Yeah. Okay, let me get, I got 9%. Yeah. So I got my, there it is. The orange carpet, and there. And then I'm gonna end this video. This is just much short. Say bye. Bye. Yuki. Ending. 3. Have 2. Have 1. And